Some house caught on fire. Let's see what's going on. You can see the smoke right there. Oh my goodness. It's about 11 o'clock tonight. All these fire trucks, look at them all. It's still smoking. These are our good gentlemen here. So what happened?
I don't know as much of information-wise, but for the past 4 months or so, these guys have been working on this house.
Right.
Getting it fixed up. They put up that whole new terrace or
Right.
front piece, and I don't know, I suppose about an hour and a half ago, something happened. Some people think of it as a crack house.
Right.
And so an hour and a half ago, whatever, a fire broke out on that side.
Oh wow.
I don't know, probably a kitchen or something.
Yeah.
And they just demolished that entire side. And
Did they know it was a crack house, or did something just happen?
I don't know as far much information-wise, and I don't think they do either.
Right.
I think they're still picking through all the rubble and stuff.
Yeah. Figure out what's going on.
It's crazy.
All right. Thanks, man. You probably can't hear me. I'm in the dark. But anyways, I talked to the kid down there, and he said that some guys have been working on it for about 4 months, trying to fix up the house and kind of rebuild it. He mentioned something about it being a crack house, but he really didn't know. But something happened while they were working on it or something like that. And who knows what's really going on over there. But whatever, all that work that they've been doing the last 4 months is pretty much history. Okay, guys, thanks.